Explain to me what Schwab's strategy is, especially compared with competition, which you have in front of you, behind you, above you, to the left and the right, and so on, right?
We do have a lot of great competition. Our strategy is actually a really simple strategy. We can frame it in 3 words. We call it through client's eyes. The financial services industry is an industry that has probably deservedly picked up a reputation that is not very positive. And we try to position our strategy in contrast to that.
And so I suppose a way of asking the question of what you do is to ask what don't you do? What has viewing things through the client eyes led you to a revenue opportunity to not pursue?
Well, there's a lot of revenue opportunities that we step away from. There are ways to make money. We're just not confident that they're always in the best interest of the client. And by that, we don't want to have it come across as we're judging those particular solutions, but we don't necessarily feel they're right for us.
For example?
We haven't gone into the hedge fund area. We've chosen to stay away from certain aspects of offering a service to a client in return for maybe a fee where we get paid no matter what happens in the outcome for the client. We don't trade on our own book. So we're not involved in proprietary trading, or maybe it could get you in a position where you're trading against your client. We never want to be in a position where we're on one side of the table and the client's on the other. We like to be in a position where the client wins, we win. If the client doesn't win, we should have skin in that game also. That's through client's eyes.
And of course, you do have an asset management business, so you'll collect asset fees even if a client's portfolio is declining. But your point is a smaller fee because their portfolio is declining.
Well, in the majority of our asset management business is very simple, straightforward products where the client's not necessarily looking for us to create some kind of outperformance. So we do a lot of index fund management, ETFs, which are all index oriented, and a lot of money market fund management where you're just out buying very short instruments, particularly nowadays, very, very short instruments, and getting a very small fee in return for managing that.